Off. Is our fender inside?
Our fender's down below. Oh. Why is this not going the same direction?
Watch your back. It's
Pushing against what you got because I'm not making it. I'm working in contact.
Yeah, right. Your backing is out.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of things. We want to take a big left hand turn.
Oh, I took the that's well.
That's okay. Yes, main sheet's off. We're trying to come head to wind. Here we go.
Not being head to wind. It's just
left. There it is. There it is. Now we're going well. Now we're going well. Now we're going. Hello. Oh. Okay. Thank you, Massey. All right, Massey, can you come tail for the main? Watch out, Steve. Watch out, Steve. That's okay. Watch out, Steve. Can you tail for the main? Step over my feet and tail for John. Thank you. Okay. Now we're shifting gas. Behind me. There you go.
You have to jump up in front of the mast. Yeah.
I'm going to come down a little bit.
Yeah, please do. Yeah, help him out.
Yeah, coming down.
You're not getting anything on those.
Pretty close.
Coming down.
Should be able to pull through the cleat. Two. Okay. All right. Are you there? Yeah. All right. So turn on.
Coming up.
Let me just trim up full, and then you can start to come up. Right. If the chutes collapse and then you're coming up, it's not going to help.
Okay.
Right. Keep trimming on. All right. So you're right now. So look at your apparent 90 degrees. Let's find out how high we can climb.
All right, coming up, Steve.
Keep trimming.
I'm coming up.
Yeah, just keep trimming on as far as you can. Get a turn on. Oh, you mean
Coming up.
That's just really slow down. Right, that's 100% trim, and you should be sitting over here. So Just start, just like you would jib. Just steer up to the wind, and right, watch the top of the sail, and if it starts to curl, then you found the top of the whip. And look at the wind. Right? See how far the red is? Go ahead. Just keep up.
Come up some more?
Yeah, come on, we want to see. We want to see how long we have. All right, so that's it. So that tanker, that's his point. The part first mark is not anywhere up here.
Okay. Hey, Massey, that's going to be helpful too because I think whatever the course is that's on that paper, we just found out that this is as far north. That tanker is as far. Well, that's as far as we can carry the spinnaker.
Yeah. So that's about 160, 165.
So when we hear something on the radio, they're going to tell us a course, or we're going to be able to go by the race committee boat, and we'll be able to see the course. The courses are in there.
Yeah.
And then we'll have an idea of like what we can do.
Yeah, but if they send us out in the direction of okay, so now it's just a matter of you know how far away you are from the line.
Okay.
All right, and we want to trim the jib for speed, not just that doesn't mean 100% trimmed on, right? These those sheets where it's holding the jib. What's our time?
Start. Somebody. Okay, I started.
I got it. 1 minute. Okay, we are effectively.
I'll give you a countdown.
We are effectively racing.
Yeah,
Right,
I feel like we're racing
Let's point
too.
at the mark. See where it is behind the black hook,
50 seconds.
and then just be ready to go as soon as we're clear. We want to go up with the spinnaker. All right. As soon as you're clear,
How
we're
many
going
if
up.
you want?
Yep. I'm just gonna go on balance.
Okay.
40 seconds.
Yeah. 40. Count down. Go up. We're on the line. Go up. Go up. Can you see the line now? When you
Yep.
take the boat up, go 100 point at the pin. Now and look at your stern. Are we over the line?
No.
When you're not pointing at the pin yet. Come on up. Keep coming up. Now look behind. Are we above the line?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm staying down below the line.
Okay. Want to make that's all that matters.
That's us.
Time. Go. Push. Turn down.
Green or red?
Who's on the halyards?
Which jib sheet? Green or which spinnaker sheet? Green or red?
You're gonna trim. You're gonna trim the wood.
Curl the jib. Come on, starboard side sheet has got to go off. Starboard sheet's got to go. Port side sheet's got to go off.
Here we go. We're almost there. Put your
Lower
heads
weight,
down.
guys.
Put your heads
Lots of lower
down.
weight.
Screaming.
That's an OCS flag.
Annapolis Sailing Schools number 5.
We were early.
We're over. 5 is on cross side.
All right, guys, drop it.
What does that mean?
We got it. We got to go back. Let's just drop it on the deck. Go ahead and start spinning. You got it. Okay, now I got it.
Jib out. Jib out.
That's all right. Go ahead.
Going back to the starting line.
That was a really late call on the flag pulling up.
Jib.
That's ridiculous.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Coming all the way around.
Yeah. Okay, jibe
Yep,
the jib,
I'm
Lisa.
jobbing. I'm jobbing.
We'll jibe the jib. back to the boat, to the line.
Okay, I'm
To the
going
line,
back.
Not to the boat necessarily.
No. I'm just getting to the line as quickly as I can. Leeward weight, Matthew.
We had to be strapped in.
Sorry, I thought we weren't over.
It's okay.
I think they see well.
Hey, you're
Come on up.
oversheeted. You're
Come on up.
oversheeted on the jib.
Come on up. Get your main going. You got to focus on somebody's. I'm not back there to focus on it. Somebody else got to do it. Come on, look at the main. Look up. You want me to handle the main?
No, I want to get it off of here.
Well, we need the lure to feed. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Oh yeah, sorry, but it's
We're on the backstay. You got to pop the backstay.
yeah, no.
There you go.
It's we're
You
coming
steer.
up. Yeah. It's good. It's an exercise of patience.
Oh, shoot. There we go.
Uh-huh, there it is.
Got it?
Fantastic. Yep. Got it. Got the main. We're coming back. Okay, leeward weight. Moving. So John, what do? We have to go all the way back over the line and come all the way back.
Over the line. But if we spin it, right? You don't have to go the full boat past it and then start your turn. Right? If you can do it and then finish your turn where you're on the other side of the line, that's
Okay.
great. And as soon as we turn the boat, then we're going to go right back up with the spinnaker, right?
Okay, great. Okay, fantastic. We're not that far. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here. Sorry, I got my. Yep.
Yep. I'm gonna go by. I got it.
So I can start turning up now.
No, we're going to jibe.
Oh, that's what I meant. Oh wait, no. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
I think we got a little bit more to go.
Go ahead, start your turn.
Jabbing. Watch your head.
Yep, we're clear. Jibe this. Yep.
Very nice. Very nice, guys. Here we go. Okay. Remember that last time we tried to start? Here it is again.
Jib in? Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Well, we're just pretending like we're a 105 tonight.
Okay, got it. That's good. All right, tack line all the way on, please. And we went forward weight. Find your pearl on the tender.
How does it feel, Steve? Where'd your hat go, John?
Down there.
Oh. Go for it. Yep. Go ahead. Take the main. Foot cleat. John. No. I was just saying the foot cleat. You were pushing it out.
Oh,
Steve, you got to talk to me just about how you're feeling with the pressure. Do I need to come up?
I don't like. Okay.
Well, the question is, Chrissy, are you looking at the mark?
Yes.
Okay, are we pointing right at it?
No.
Where?
Yes, we
We're
are.
pointing right at it?
Well,
Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, let's aim for where we're going.
Okay.
Let's tell me who you can pick up.
Okay.
Your
Okay.
weight is good too.
Yeah, I know it's hard.
Yeah, if you.
Actually, it would be great.
Can you see it from there? I know.
Gosh, dog. I'm just trying not to get called out at the starting line for something.
It's okay. That doesn't matter. If you're not on the line getting called for something, then you're not racing.
Yeah,
close enough.
It died.
Yeah.
that's a good place.
Steve, if you need to be out, that's fine. I just would prefer to be able to see the mark.
You can sit all the way up here. Sure.
Okay.
You can sit on the bow and film it if it's people I've seen people do it.
Yeah. Hey, Christy, when you were asking how does it feel?
Do what?
You were asking earlier how does it feel? There's almost no tension on it.
No pressure.
So, yeah.
I mean, I could come up, but I'm pointed right at the mark. So you just tell me.
It's not as if there's a lot of. We're
Yeah,
good
it's
right
not-
now.
You're playing with what you have. They don't even have a.
102 clear.
Hey, well, we're still not far off from the other guy.
You better believe it.
our
I'm
school
always
boat-
looking to beat them.
Our school boat, we're doing okay. You need this more outboard?
Oh, sorry.
I don't want nothing more.
What's that?
Nothing. I said we get more outboard.
The spinnaker going.
Yeah.
You just give me more direction as I need it. I don't. It's hard for me. Oh, wait. Which one is his Windex? He's got a lot of stuff up there.
On the top. It's on the app. It's on the.
Oh, the one with the bird? Is that a bird?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, yeah. I can.
Yeah, don't. You're good, but I mean, it's not. There's nothing you can do about it.
Risky was losing our spinnaker. Yeah. So we're on. He's
We're
on
getting
his
his-
now.
we're
But
getting
you
his.
are coming up to him, right? We weren't going to do that.
We gotta get
I've been trying to come down. I'm falling down. He's falling down on us.
Got it.
That's true. That's true.
All right. Well, let's do the opposite then. Let's go up as high as we can.
That way he'll pass us, right?
Yep.
I'm coming up.
Just
I'm
slow,
coming up,
slow,
Steve.
slow.
We just don't want to. We just don't want to collapse the spinnaker, right?
And just keep it slow, like right about there. And then he'll come down on us, and we're gonna come in behind him.
If you literally could, where he is, by the time we get up there, if we can put our nose right on his
Stern.
sternum,
Yep.
he will tell us.
Okay. Okay.
If you can slide in there, but
Okay.
it's a really fine line to be able to
It's
do.
like NASCAR.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Exactly.
Never watched a NASCAR, but
Neither
can you
have I.
compare it to baseball or college
Yeah,
football?
but it's like drafting. Yeah, it's like. I have no idea. It's like, I've just heard that people can draft cars. I try to do
Steve,
it.
I'm falling down just a little bit to heat it.
No. That's just the blanking us
Yeah, yeah.
entirely. Put the bell on.
Okay. Coming up.
Yep. Oh, I see what you did. Yeah, good. See? Now you're picking up. Now you're picking it back up. That's what. And so you want to be right on the trampoline. All right, we got to go ahead forward. You want to attack the attack.
I think so.
No, attack.
No higher than that?
Nope.
No higher than that?
Nope. But now I can't see the mark, so.
Okay, don't worry. We're not worried about the
I'm
motor now.
just-
We're worried about making the boat go fast.
Okay.
We got to get back up to speed.
Okay. I'm just going to make the boat go fast this direction.
All right. Can you parallel there? A little bit more?
Right behind him or
Okay, start just parallel.
fall down? How's that feel?
You feel the boat accelerate, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, if we're another boat length in front or boat length and a half, we would really feel it. So,
Steve, any comms? Great. Somebody still trimming the. Okay, great. Sorry.
Yeah.
Do your job, Christy. Do your job. Your job is to drive the boat. Drive the boat. Trim the main.
So we're
Drive the
gonna.
boat.
I'll pull the jib furl.
Yeah, dip roll is loose, so it should be fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So when you're ready, then we're gonna pull the jib out.
Can we get a little more leeward weight?
When we go around, we're gonna pull the jib out, and then we're gonna release. Once we make the point, we're gonna douse the jib. Right, the dousing is coming. So once we make the point.
no, before. We want to have
Before?
it. We want to have. Well, it's going to be such a slow turn. We really want it to be coming down.
While we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull the jib. Then we'll douse.
Man, I want to pass them on this turn. Is that possible?
Don't get any. They might do that. We don't have nobody in here.
Uh-uh.
They're definitely going to get to the mark before us. So the question is, are they going to see somebody from backing the mark? Somebody from going down?
I think we go out. What do you think?
Depends on whether we have clear air.
Okay.
So we want to be ready to make any move.
Okay. Tack or okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
But the most important thing is to keep the speed up going around the mark. Right?
You got
Either
it.
way, don't overshoot your turn. Right? See where they're pointing. Right? You don't want to come up and then stall the boat. Right? Unless we're going to tack.
Okay. Who's pulling the jib out? Okay, good.
Not yet. Because it'll look like it's a good thing.
I'm ready.
So, like for us, we basically spotted them 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? And we're now a minute behind them. I'll do that. Yeah, I'll go ahead.
You're gonna be here.
Was our
No, you won't have to pull from that sheet. Just want to make sure that the starboard sheet's ready to ease, and I'll just pull the. I'll walk the boat around and get it around.
Just walk
and
it
then-
around?
Yeah, and then just be ready. Somebody ready on the halyard.
Yep.
Halyard's ready to run.
Yep.
So what I do is take the halyard. Make sure it's really ready to run. By the way to know it's ready to run is start at the end and just drop it. Just put it. It's not going to be fouled into anything else. That's what's fun.
I'm just trying to keep the spinnaker still.
Yes, that's the job.
More than getting super, super close to the pin, even though that's what I want to do.
Stay up to the mark. Come on, Chris.
I know, but I'm just saying,
We don't want this guy on top of us.
okay,
We gotta get
I'm
up the
trying to
mark.
get for the spinnaker to stay full.
It's good to focus on what we're about to do, but we can't lose track of what we're doing. What's the deal with the free boat and the mark? Two boats, right? Whether he's got an overlap with us or not. But can you come up at all?
I am.
Okay. That's it. Look at his line. If we're higher than him, that's okay. Right? See how you're starting to edge in front of him now?
Yes.
Yeah, just come up to his line and you're inside of him. Okay, so when we get up on one little more shot up, so he's definitely consolidate in front of us. Okay, so I can do that.
Somebody help him bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, help him bring it in.
Now halyard.
Coming. Turning.
Turn on your main, turn on your sails.
Give me some help with the jib. There we go.
Don't overshoot your turn.
Not
Don't overshoot
overshooting.
your turn.
Not overshooting. The jib's not all the way out.
Somebody on the main?
Come on, honey.
You got it?
You have to point up where 50 is, right?
Yeah, like his angle.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, just make sure there's 3 lines are pointed up. Good job. You can pull it down on that halyard a little bit more if you want. Hey Steve, on the green line, if you want to pull that down a little bit more, just so, we just don't want it to accidentally pop out. That's good. And then,
Watch your points there, Christy.
go ahead, pull.
Don't stall the boat out. The reason you're trying to steer forward, well, wait forward is good.
Oh, wait,
Wait forward is always good. Leeward end forward.
Other side.
so you can handle it. Yeah, that's what I was shooting. So,
Aw. I don't want to bail. Are y'all ready to tack?
No, we're not in the
no,
creek yet.
not yet.
Oh, sorry, past the shiny part.
I don't know if that's a marathon.
What?
They're quitting because they're wussies. They might have something.
we're good. Thank you, though.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys are going back frequent.
Oh, that's very nice.
Do we not seem to be racing?
We're talking about our
Are
next
you
roll
insisting
pack.
that we stop?
Yeah, you think it was going so slow. Okay, now we're getting into it.
All right.
All right.
Ready to
Oh,
tack?
wait a minute, did they? Oh, I think they flew off. Everybody's turning.
Oh, they.
Oh.
Oh, that's what he was telling us. Maybe we didn't hear it on the radio. Yeah,
What happened to our radio?
Let's take
I
advantage.
think it's back there someplace.
No, I've never seen it before.
Let's take advantage of this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Frank's turn.
Yeah.
Oh wait, here it is.
Good.
All right, ready to tack?
Yep. Anybody out? That's all right.
It's gonna take 20 years to tack anyway. Ready to tack?
There you go across.
All right, tacking.
We can turn all the way down.
Yeah, we can set the spinnaker. Well, let's do that.
Let's do it, friends. Happy to.
Pull out. Back out.
Ready? Tail on the
Yep.
Yeah, just you got to trim.
You're not around a winch, Matthew.
You guys just as quickly as you can. Trim on some more. That's still got wrap. Come on up.
I was out.
Hmm?
I pushed it out.
Alright, try to use that now.
John, you're standing on it. One sec. More use.
Yeah, I just want to see if we can start to get it filled here.
There we go.
Yeah, everybody's heading home.
Now, how is it that
Can we let out the spinnaker just a little bit? Does it that? Can we go wing on wing? Can't be certain what that is. Huh?
If we just add that extra weight of the sail color, our start would be perfect.
No, it was the jib halyard. Let's be honest. It was the jib halyard. Hi! Hello! Hi! Hi! I didn't know that y'all came out and watched. Where were you? You weren't watching the race? Oh, okay. Slow. Painful. Oh, and what?
I don't want to race.
Oh.
I raced
Oh, nice. Oh, very good.
Push your bags off and all this.
Here,
Yeah, I think that's good.
70.
Okay.
But from here, right?
Yeah.
Woo!
That was so close,
That's okay. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Oi. Yikes. Pay attention. Don't talk. Thanks. We don't worry about it. I always love to do a debrief. Every time we get done off the water, I'm always thinking the whole thing through again. I just normally call Molly and talk to her about it.
So, well, when we decided we were going to tackle it, go back to
Yeah. Dana.
So Dana, when we were coming from when she took over the helm,
Uh-huh.
she had the towers.
Uh-huh.